So I guess this is part 2 of the forging of this Bowie knife. Today what we're going to do is draw out Tang and maybe fix some of the issues with the clip here, which I wasn't happy with on the first go. So let me get this in the forge, get it heated up, and see where we go. Bowie knife. He's making a Bowie knife. He's trying. Fortunately, he doesn't have the best shape on the end here, so this bit I'm forging here is called the clip, and I'm trying to get more clip in it. There's not a lot in there right now. See you later, guys.
Goodbye.
As long as she's okay for skiing tomorrow, we'll be happy.
Yeah, I'll be fine.
I think the forging of the blank is somewhat finished. I think what we have under this, I just did a quick, not really a plate quench, but just to cool the knife down and make sure it was flat before I get into grinding. And this is what we ended up with. So we got probably not as deep a clip as we wanted, but we're going to lose a little bit off this point because of this cold shut that you saw the first video. This is where the two corners of the blank, the material peeled over. I have enough here. I probably have to grind something out here for a full tang. A slight drop on the handle. And we actually grew the blade much more than I thought we would. I get the tape measure. We have a look. We started off, if you recall, the original blank was 11.6 inches, which would have taken us to around here. So we almost got a free tang out of growing the length. After the drawing out of the blade, we'd gone up to just over 13 inches, which was about 1.5 inches growth. And we've now ended up with what is essentially 15.5. Like I said, we're probably going to lose 1/2 inch off the front. So overall, we have probably a 10-inch blade, 9.5, 10-inch blade, and a handle of around 4.5, 5 inches, which I'm not sure just how warm this is. Probably too warm to pick up, but certainly fits my hand quite well with a full tang. I need to work out what's going on here yet.